Hey, what's up, Maniacs? We're back, and we were just talking with the guys. One of our daughters, I'm not going to say whose, said that we're kind of boring lately, that we need to do some more fun. So we thought, dance, everybody! Come on, dance, dance! Let's go! Come on! Hey, there we go! There we go! There we go! No. All right. So we're back. This is part 3 of the engine reassembly. This is the Ford FE 390 that's been bored to a 416. We literally took this thing down to the last bolt. That wasn't the plan originally, but we did. You can go back and see that in a few videos ago. So here we are, final day. We're gonna assemble this sucker, are we not, boys?
Yeah.
Yes,
Yeah.
last day.
Last day. So what are we doing here today?
We're gonna start with some disassembly of the fan and the water pump so we can make it look pretty. Gotta get that painted up. Clean up our starter, bolt that back on maybe today. Definitely want to get our distributor in. We did get a Mallory with the engine. We're hoping it works. We're going to find out. We're going to start there. If not, we've got the original distributor plus a Petronics to get rid of the points. And maybe even we'll get a carburetor on today. Nice shiny Edelbrock. Over here though, we have all of the valves, the rocker arms, the push rods, all that kind of stuff. So we do want to get all that installed today for sure. That is at least the key. And we have Jim over here getting some pulleys on the crank.
Some nice, clean looking pulleys there, buddy.
Yep.
Yeah.
Trying to figure out where this little spring goes. We found it in a bag. We're not sure where it came from.
Oops. All right, so we're gonna just get going on this day. Hope you guys enjoy it. Let's go. All right, so we're gonna clean up the rocker assembly by pulling down like this, and check out how nice it cleans up actually, right there.
Okay.
So only got like, what, 16 to go?
Ryan, what are you doing down there?
Making a mess.
Oh, I was gonna go to time lapse on this, but that's good.
Cleaning up some parts.
I'm mad. We're gonna spray him with some bug off right now. You're gonna think it's car cleaner.
You guys are something else.
All right, let's back to work. Nothing ready yet, Ryan?
Yeah.
Nope.
Good as she's getting.
Now we spray that off with some brake cleaner, and then I'll take it to the painting area.
The painting department?
Yes.
All right, cool.
Yuck.
Oh, man.
So we started cleaning these rocker arms up on the shaft and realized that they're a mess, as you just saw in the that's the oil feed hole to keep these rockers lubricated. So that junk is all the way through this shaft. The only way to clean it out is basically to completely disassemble the whole thing. It has caps that are pressed into the end, so we're gonna have to pull the caps. We're gonna soak it all in a bunch of diesel fuel and let stuff soak for a while and pull it all out, clean it up, and reassemble. Much bigger job than we had planned for today.
Yeah, so once again, we got another setback.
Yeah.
So we already did one of them right here, took it apart. It was a bear to get them all apart. This is the old shaft right here, and it's nasty. So.
The shaft itself was in good condition, it's just the internals.
Yeah.
It's
And the internals on every one of these as well. So same problem, all these little orifices right here. All right, well, I'm gonna go get some diesel fuel. And I will
crustiness.
see you guys later. Are you gonna do this?
Yeah.
You're gonna act like you're driving a robot? I like it. robot driver. This is crazy, man. You gotta do this for every single one of those to pull it apart. That one's actually coming off fairly easily compared to the other side.
Yeah, not too bad. And hopefully we don't have to have kept these in order because we didn't keep track.
All right, boys, keep it going.
This is a pretty critical step. You might want to get some video of this. This is parts cleaning 101.
Yeah, you gotta lay them out in there like you know what you're doing. Oh.
Why don't you tell us a joke?
And then you just throw
Jim.
you throw springs on the ground.
Do you have any jokes
They clean
other
up
than
that
throwing springs on the ground?
Man, no.
The only joke is his face.
Oh, hey, dude, if you're gonna put the bolts in, put them in nice.
Sorry.
Gosh,
You know, it's hard to find good help nowadays.
it's hard to work with you guys.
That gunky old deal, man.
Yeah.
Oh, look at that.
Nasty. Nasty.
How is it that we take one step forward, 2 steps back?
We come
really-
together,
not really-
opposites attracting, we know.
Is that a song?
Yeah, Paul Abdul.
That goes with 1 step forward, 2 steps back?
Yeah.
Oh man, see how much I know? I know nothing. Why is it diesel, guys? Why don't we explain to the folks why it's diesel, not gasoline?
I mean, I would have just lit it on fire if it was gas and we'd be done.
No, but what is it?
It's
The reason you use this diesel is because it's less flammable to do parts cleaning, or what?
Yeah.
I don't know. I use gas.
Because we do not want this much gas hanging around my house.
Yeah, there you go. I think that's what it's for. It's just less
Chemical
flammable.
plants.
No, but if
All right, guys, let's just move on to the next thing.
We're gonna get this cap out of here. Jim looked online. They can drive a self-tapper down into the cap and pull it out.
Because we gotta get it.
oh, if you didn't have a fruit nut bar in your hand.
Well, John was rushing
He's
me.
hungry. Oh, right, and then it jacked the hole. Yeah, great job, Ryan.
But it's right
Nice.
there. It's right there.
All right, we'll get it out.
Okay.
It should just fall out.
You gotta
Dang,
pick-
he's processing right now. Look at him. Just like Gabe doing. You would have already had it done, dude. You had it done. All right.
Yeah,
Let's go.
done.
Let's go. Get the other side out. Let's go sink that thing in that diesel fuel that is
no.
not flammable, so it's perfect for soaking.
Well, you gotta do everything. All right. No, back it out.
It's hard to find good help these days.
Oh, it didn't move at all.
Now what? Hole is too big.
Yeah. Now what is we need a bigger screw.
When in doubt, bigger hammer. How's this coming? Coming pretty good. Real man of genius. When you don't have a dent puller, you just make one. We got it. All right, where are we working out here, Jim?
Well, we needed something to get down into the hole and kind of wallow these bad boys out. So
Yeah.
I'll have to put it down there, here, right there. So this is the irrigation
Nice.
1/4-inch line. I'm gonna throw this. I'm gonna send it.
Okay.
And
Well, that'll be good because, man, that is
I'm not gonna do it right over the driveway though.
I
I'm
think you
gonna come over
should.
Here, no.
All right, let's go. Oh, it's already working, dude.
God.
Oh, man, hold on a second. Let me zoom in. Zoom in, Jen.
Oh my
jeez.
gosh, that's not even.
Nasty.
Oh my word.
Ay, ay, ay. Look at that.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, look at this stuff that came out. Oh, it's like sand and oil. Oh.
Oh my truck. Oh no. Crap. Give me some paper towel, please.
All right, get it out of the back of the truck already.
I'm waiting on you.
Ah, come on. Hey, the motor's back in the shop.
Hey guys, thanks for watching this episode. In the next one, we hope to drop this thing into this bad boy and keep on going on it. If you guys are liking what we're putting out, please leave us a thumbs up, leave a comment so we can respond to you on it, and make sure you're subscribed, and we will see you in the next one.